Hey guys, Randomosity here. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make your iPhone cord last longer. So let's get right to it. Here's the items you're going to need. Okay, so the first thing you're going to want to do is take one of the 1/4 to 1/8 inch heat shrink tubes and just slide that right over the end of your iPhone cord, right like this. And then just light your lighter up and start slowly heating it so that it'll evenly shrink. So I'll just speed through this and show you what it looks like when it's done. So there you have it. A simple, easy way to make your iPhone cord last much longer and to repair it when the rubber is cracking. So if you've enjoyed this video, you can like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, keep rolling with the random.